Hello and welcome to this quick video, an update and a modern version of one that I've done quite a few times before, specifically how you can upload your log files into something like Google Earth to watch the flight back. And it can be very useful to kind of keep a track of these things, and it's not too tricky. Now, there is a number of things that you have to do. I'll put time codes down below, but the first thing we're going to have to talk about is making sure that BLACKBOX is enabled on your model so that it's going to save information onto either an SD card or a local data flash so that it can be accessed after the flight. So first of all, let me very quickly show you the things that you have to make sure are turned on in INAV for this to work. You have to have enabled BLACKBOX. So here in the configurations tab, you need to make sure that BLACKBOX flight data recorder is enabled, and then go into the BLACKBOX tab. I've had this one set up as 50% logging. It's logging in this case onto an onboard data flash chip. However, if it's logging to a little SD card, make sure there's one installed. Now we can see there's something in the flash after the last flight that I've had, so let's use that. So we'll give it a name and we'll click on save. This takes a little bit of time, so just sit and let it work through, and eventually you're going to end up with a single file on your desktop. Once you've got that, then you've done the hard work. We just need to download an app in order to turn that log file into something that we can use with something like Google Earth. The tools, we need to go to the BLACKBOX tools in INAV Flight. I will put a link down below to this so that you can download it, but just go and download the latest and greatest one. There's loads of different versions. I'm downloading the Windows 64-bit version. It's a zip file, and that's going to give us a couple of different directories. One is called bin, and in bin there is the single file now that we're going to use to do the next step. Historically there was a lot more in here. It's a little bit simpler now. So now we've got the tool and the file. So to create the files that we need from the log file, we just copy or drag the log file onto BLACKBOX decode, and it's going to create a number of files from that. So we don't need BLACKBOX decode anymore. We need to drag this GPX file into the temporary places in Google Earth. Now Google Earth is going to ask us just to confirm a couple of things. I would accept the defaults, say OK, and then it's going to map all of that on to Google Earth, and here you can actually see the flight, and you can see under temporary places we actually have lots of different things. You can play the animation, you can use the slider to look at stuff. We have the GPS device, and we have the tracks below with the BLACKBOX flight log, and as I press play here, you can adjust the speed. You can see this is the little flight, just a quick little play around just up and down the field, and kind of fun to see exactly what I was doing. If you look at the flight log data, there's both points and path. I can turn off the points, and then it's just a little blue triangle flying over the actual path that it took. So that's how easy it is. Isn't particularly tricky, and hopefully now you've seen it with modern versions of INAV tools. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.